How do you uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11, guys? It's very simple. First, go to the search field and click on it. Then type Settings. As you type, it will appear and you can click on it. Click on the gear icon to open Settings. When this menu opens, look on the left side and click on the Apps option. Now, click on the first option called Installed Apps. Here, you need to find the app you want to remove. In this case, it is Microsoft Edge. You can scroll down to find it, or you can just type Edge in the search box. The app will show up. You will see 3 dots next to it. Click on those dots and then click on Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. You will see a message saying that all information related to this app will be removed. Click on Uninstall to continue. Another message may appear saying that apps which need Microsoft Edge might not work anymore. You can click Uninstall again. And that's it. The app has been uninstalled. As you can see, it is no longer on the desktop and has already been removed. So, this is how you uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. I hope this helped you. If it did, don't forget to support me by subscribing to the channel.